Hi, today in front of me Huawei MatePad SE, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. If you want to change the sound mode to the silent one, just select one from these available modes. Just to set the don't disturb mode, you should tap here to don't disturb mode section. To activate it, you should click on the switcher. To turn it off, you should also click on the switcher. If you want to set the shadow, the start and the end time, you should also do it here. Here we can see the volume panels, the media alarms and notification volume panels. Just to change the volume of level of volumes, you should just slide to the left or to the right side these white dots. In default volume button control, you can switch media to ring to notifications. Just now by press to the up or to the down volume button will change the medias. If you want to change notifications on, you should do it here. And in more sound settings, we can turn on or turn off the startup sound, screen lock and lock sound, screenshot sound and screen touches. So as we can see, that's so simple. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.